Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Juwai constituency ubaderu President ka National People's Youth Front uba Wailad Mikishla. Ulaong bakaseng NPP bat buon ki Paidbah kidangmut baka VP kan job buon tali ki seat ha GHADC man haka election MDC baladap handai pause ka job tang pratali ki seat. Ulaong bakini ki pratali ki seat ru ki job tang namar baki Peit ki Kyrtong om ya ka party. Ulaong baki Paidbah kila ban shim ya ka party VVP kum ka seng ka babha handai ulaong baki Paidbah kin sai ya ka rukom trikam jong ka VVP namar menta Kadei ka basensyar hapo district council kumta ulaong ba unshukermen baga VVP kala ban ai ki jingkular ki baka kular ya Paidbah. Ulaong bangidan hang ni ban syakri ya Paidbah empat ban Peit ya ka jingtrikam ka VVP neki wai pat ki party kumta ulakit bok ya ka seng VVP bakantre kat kum ka jingkular jong ki ya Paidbah.
See, it's like in terms of if you see the last year result, no doubt means VPP has come in. Even though with the if we hear the news before the MDC election, we thought that many people think that the VPP will sweep Jhadc Hills, even more than Khasi Hills. But when the result comes, you have seen it yourself that the VPP won only 8 seats. And then means like till now the EC in district council it's means still run by the NPP led EC. So and moreover like out of those 8 also I've seen that many candidates were won based on their individual capacity, not in the name of the party. If you see that many of the candidates were won on their individual capacity. So I've seen that no doubt people have some people have seen them as an option, but since now they are in Khasi Hills, so people will see they have got the mandate, so they also will be in the government now. So means like let's hope they will be able to deliver what they have promised to the public. But we are here means like we are not here mean like we are here to work. So means we will do in whatever capacity we can. We are not here means like to see that no if VPP or who other party are there. So we are here to serve the people. So we'll do, and I just wish for them also they will continue means like they will be able to deliver what they have promised to the people.